Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we would like to talk about HBAR USDT trading pair with my custom maker set, just a local updates. Let's dive in. Let's be honest, I don't understand, still don't understand how in 2024, 2025, the people so emotionally react on any single move, no matter it's up or down. So we pump, everybody scream, we go into the moon. It's a future. It's the best project ever. Just we go to correction. I knew it. It's a scam. It's a pump and dump. It's a manipulation and all of that stuff, guys. It's just a basic coin like any other tokens. So at the end, the main purpose of any of these internet tokens, it's for retailers, it's for institutional, it's for market makers, it's for exchanges. It's out in the profit in cash. So pretty simple, guys. I never seen that. You know, that trader or investor who hop in some token and never took a profit. For what? So why you here if you just hold? If you just hold for what? Anyway, one day you will be ready to sell, right? I guess. So don't be exit liquidity all the time. Build a plan and follow your plan. So if your plan is weight much higher, it's okay. That's why don't worry about it. So it's just a correction. Yes, it's hard correction because the HBAR dumped it like 56%. So if you bought here at 38 cents, for example, at 10K, invest 10K, now you got like 4K. So that's it. And everything should be in time. So time to accumulate. The HBAR was here. So we go from monthly, weekly, daily time frame. So monthly, nothing bad happened with the HBAR. Can it be the end of cycle? Basically, yes. Guys, anything can happen in the market. Tomorrow we can see the new war in the world, you know, or something happened with between the United States and China, United States and Canada. I don't know, between the Russian and the Baltic countries. Anything can happen, you know. So we work only with possibilities. We can't affect the macro. We can't know the macro in the future. That's why we only can work with own managed management. So the time for accumulation was here. If you accumulated here, at least after the great move, 864%, you could withdraw initial deposit. When you withdraw initial deposit, you just leave the tokens, zero risk. Absolutely. After that, you absolutely don't care what will happen next with HBAR. So technically, we close the monthly gap. Next one is here. Again, the same zone of accumulation. So it's 5 cents 77. Guys, listen again. I don't think so. We will drop so low. But yes, we got a chance. We always got a chance to drop that low. It's pretty simple. So, people here screaming, we never, at 16 or at 20 cents, they scream, we never drop to 5 cents again. You will never see this price again. But after that, we drop it down and trade around 5 cents over the 2 years. So guys, never say never. Why we can't drop like this one and form the global double bottom? Why we can't? Of course we can. But that's why the question one and only, what you will do if we will see the scenario A, and what you will do if we will see the scenario B. No, makes sense to always going to the moon. Guys, just work with possibilities and market will be not so stressful. Technically, I don't see any reason why the market should dump lower. But market makers, markets in general, institutional, the exchanges absolutely don't care what I think about the market or what the other retailers think about the market or what we wish to see on the chart. That's why if you accumulate it here, it's still not a mistake. If you accumulate it here, for example, it's still not a mistake to withdraw your initial deposit. And if we drop lower with the free money, you know, you can buy more. Got it. Technically also here, almost we close the monthly, fulfill weekly time frame, 17 cents. It can be also the weekly full. Got it. Next one is fulfill. It's 9 cents 57. I repeat, I don't think so. We will drop so low. If we will, I don't know. It means something happened with in the world. if we'll see that drop. Technically, also the bullish targets, we're not talking only about a bearish one. It was an okay zone to fix a profit. Guys, 800%. For some investors, it was the 1000%. So definitely someone will fix a profit. And I would like to show you on indicators what happened at that time. Here, it was a great time to out on the weekly time frame. Not exactly at a high here. Here is a top in the beginning of December. Then the currency drop. Here was accumulation. So I showed you all of that targets before. This was accumulation. What is good? I hope we will see the spring green and move to the next targets. Next target 65.96 at least, conservative price targets. So I don't think so. The 1K, it's the end of cycle for HBAR with the BTC dominance over than 60%. So anyway, sooner or later, the BTC dominance will go down. And I hope and I think the money and liquidity will rotate and inflow into alts. So it's just logical. Not in all alts, but I think some of a piece of cake, go to the HBAR daily time frame. So this is a top, not actual high, because we sweep at the high. But here was a top, the currency drop. Now it was signals to sell. Now no new signal of accumulation. But anyway, we wait. We just wait when BTC dominance will go down. So that's it. Technically, of course, if you believe, you can accumulate. But ask yourself, for example, that if the target is 65.96, is it okay for you to accumulate now for potential rewards like 200% and 300%? Is it okay or not? So make a deal with yourself. Market mood. Market mood here. I told you the sentiment on the market, especially on the crypto Twitter, changed so fast. I don't know. These people are emotionally unstable, right? Take a look. This is a total euphoria. This is a madness. We're going to the moon. Here, bomb, capitulation. So it's crazy. On the weekly, still like a hope, still like a trill. That's why we got a room for drop. But I hope we will hold the line at 21 cents, 25, and continue right higher. So it will be the pretty simple model, like impulse, sideways, impulse. Got it. So this was an euphoria. Now it's not a hope, but positive on the markets. Money power. This was money inflow. This is money outflow. Now no new money inflow, guys, on the weekly. But of course, no money outflow, it's a good one. Here, it was last money inflow, money outflow. MACD bearish divergence drop. We at the bottom. So would be good to test 2187, 21,187 and go higher at the beginning of, at the end of February, beginning of March. So I hope March, April, May, we will see the green one. But of course, I can be wrong. Trade on a daily. That was signals to buy, take profit, sell. Here was a buyback. So at least we can close the 50% of this week, and go higher. If not, guys, this is the next zone of interest. Unfortunately, zero level again. So unfortunately, guys, yes, it was signal to sell. No new signal to buy or buy back or so. Guys, I showed you what's going on now. So I can't show you only the up targets. Exit line, only the exit line test. It's 1490. But take a look in June 21 after we pump, we didn't test the exit line. So I hope it will be the same story and we go higher and only after that we'll test it. So now the exit line to test about it's 1484. Take profit 1329. Buy line 6 cents 71. From a value 4 cents 9. It's on a weekly. On a daily, this is what I told you here. The lines are dynamic. We can see something like this one. Retest it and going higher. So this is going to be the positive case scenario. Now the buy line on a daily, it's 1775. On the 12 time frame, I guess it's a little bit higher. This one. So we can test 1987, 2121. So this one. From these points, you can try accumulate position for the spot or with the leverages with the proper risk management on futures. From my value on 12 time frame, now it's 1461. take profit. On 12 time frame, 39 cents, 43, it's exit line. Daily time frame, here the lines go higher. 35, 37, it's take profits, exit line, it's 39.79. So for me personally, the best case scenario is something like this one. Capitulation, absolutely the same zone, unfortunately, guys. And double bottom global on the weekly time frame. So guys, all targets I showed you. Write please in a comment what is your realistic price target for HBAR. If you want to trade with my customer sell what I showed you in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.